Hello, good morning. This is Ari here. Right now, I'm trying to practice one of all the advice being told by doctors or, you know, good people out there, that we should take a few moments in our life to walk. You can walk around your house, or if you find some places where you can spend a little bit with nature. And besides my job as a tour guide, and also working in some part of transportations, I agree to those advices that we can take or observe good energy from nature. And I think most of the people who go for travel or visit other countries and seek for natures are also wanting to do the same. I visited some big cities, and I found out that city life is also sometimes boring, and that boredom will draw people to see something like close to the nature. And I agree also that tourism provides good escape to nature. Then you have a kind of ticket to see or to enjoy what is really mean to your body and to your souls, which is nature. And walking is also, or make some move, or your body should moves every day. Laying down or feel stuck sometimes makes, or observe quite a negative energy. But when you move your body, going around or doing something, I think that's good. That's good for, for the soul, for the health. I also encourage, because I believe that going to nature is also, as like I said before, that really heals. Like what I'm doing now. I can hear the sounds of the birds and also the water. And working in tourism is also gave me a lot of opportunities to see the nature, which is free. I go to Vairabo, I'm doing snorkeling, I trekking to Komodo Islands, to Para Islands, and all these great destinations. This is really nice. This is really, cures my souls. But sometimes, there are lots of problems in life that is also needs the solution, but no need to stuck. You can escape to natures. So I invite you to go to nature and take a deep breath with the fresh air. That I think helps to cure some negatives in our body. Yeah. So, ah, lot of monkeys over there. You see, they are more free than us. Just joke, yeah. Right. So for you who stuck with busy days or jobs, spare some moments or take some moments to go outside to nature, then I think you will feel the difference. Walk in the morning early, see the birds, see or touch the morning dew in every leaves, then it heals the body. And I think also there are some illness or sickness can heal by nature, can heal by, the wounds in the souls can heal by nature. And I truly believe that. So, yeah. If you need some helps regarding the tours, going to natures, you can also reach me out and I can help you out to list down a program or create a package that make you even close to natures. So thank you so much for always seeing my videos, and I'm trying to make use of my YouTube channels that share some good moments in life. Yeah, with freely. Then the world will be a better place for anyone, everywhere. And I'm happy that I can do this, and I can work as a tour guide, bringing people around and share good moments. So don't forget to do something that is good for you, for your souls, for your family, for everyone, for your job. Then for the goodness of the world. So thank you. Greetings from Flores Island. Bye bye.